Hello, welcome. And today's topic is replica set. The job of replica set is simple. Keep number of pod running. Keep fixed number of pod running. That's it. No update, no rollback, no version history. So technically you can use it directly, but very bare bones and built on top of replica set. So if you see a YAML file of a deployment, you will find replicas properties there. When you create a deployment, Kubernetes automatically creates and manages replica set inside. Deployment adds rollback, rollout, history, scaling, strategy, all the stuffs, and will touch everything. Why replica set is not recommended direct? Because 90% of the time, on many of the time, we need safe update rollback history. So if we use replica set directly, a lot of manual work is there. We'll see what kind of manual work is there. So use deployment for stateless app. Use replica set only in rare advanced cases like building your own app custom controller like things. So what is the disadvantage of replica set? So we have seen replica set. So no declarative rollouts up. If you update the pod template, say change the image, replica set won't do rolling update and it will just kill and create the pod suddenly. So I will create a replica set vi rs.yaml. So API version is apps v1, kind is replica set, then metadata is name demo, replica is equal to and selector and match label demo and template. Here the selector. So replicas that use these labels. So you will find these labels in the template and the label here in spec section is the same. And so name of container is C1 and in image is nginx. So let's replica set. So apply -f rs.yaml. You can use create also because it's the first time. So get pods. So these two pods are running. Now I want to update that image and I want to use that image is nginx 1 tag is 20 1.20. So what I will do, I will virs.yaml and here instead of 19 I will use 20 and wq escape wq. So k apply once again. So demo is configured. So I'll get pods. So pods are running and it is showing that it's not restarted. Here it's a 0 restart. Means pod is not. So I need to delete that pod. So kubectl what I will show half and show labels. So app equal to demo. So I can delete the pod k delete pods -l app equal to demo. So now k get pod. So now that pod is created. So k describe pods rs demo bb. So that image is nginx 1.20. So control L. So here is no rolling update, just a replacement. So we'll do the same. I had not explained the deployment set, but deployment set is top of the replica set and everything is same. We'll see vi deployment. So vi deployment.yaml and I'll paste it. So here everything is same, just a kind is deployment and I'll paste that replica set file also. I'll escape wq. Okay, so control b shift %, control b %, tmux control b %. So I'll cat rs.yaml and here cat deployment.yaml. So you'll find side by side that the API version is same. Here kind is deployment, kind is replica set, metadata is properties, name we had changed, the replica, everything you will see same average. Yeah, there are few things in additional properties like strategy and all stuffs, but the basic template is a little bit same. When deployment is created, replica set is automatically created for that. So I'll apply. So I'll apply -app deployment.yaml. So deployment is created. Now I will k get pods. So 4 pods is running, 2 of replica set and 2 of deployment. So I'll describe this pod. K describe deployment apps demo deployment. So here you will find the nginx image is 19 and describe pod deployment. So here you will find the image is 19. So control L. Now I want to update the image in the deployment. So what, and now I'll change this image to 20. Escape wcube. Okay, I will show you tmux control P. So k get pods -w. So here you will see these two pod. So control B. So k apply -f deployment. So you'll see that lots of thing going on, and that if control P k get pods, so 2 pods are running, k get pods, so you will see that it's the latest. So if now I'll k describe deployment, you will find that image is 20. Control, let's do that grep, image is 20. So now image is 20 means it's a rolling update. So no need to delete and recreate the pod. So manual intervention is avoided. So if you update anything means it's trigger a rolling update. Like if I set image to change the container image, deployment will perform a rolling update by creating a new replica set and gradually replacing the pod. Suppose if I had given a wrong image name, then what happened? Let's do it. So I'll kubectl set deployment demo c1, and this is instead of 20. I will write image set image is Neokloud. Okay, record is for just so record with the kubectl command is it is used in the deployment for learning the revision history. So revision and the change cause will see. So I will do. So it is deprecated and will be removed in future. Till now k get pods. So look here. This pod is created. This pod is not killed. And then every pod goes to the error full image. So I'll vi rs.yml and I will here change the image. So nothing has been changed. I will delete pod. Oh, sorry. Those no issue will k get pods. So you will find 2 pods are running. Still that the here 2 pods are in container creating and it will be added. Here 2 pods are running. Only this means rolling update. So first is stuck in the rolling. Now I want to roll back. So I will roll out status of the deployment. Let's update once again. Here we had little name is different. So I'll paste, and here demo deploy is not there. Deploy demo. So waiting for deployment rollout to finish. 1 out of 2 replicas have been updated. So it is not finished yet. It is in the progress. So some error is there, so it is not showing. So we need to roll back. So just undo, control L, just kubectl rollout undo deployment demo deploy. Oh, sorry. So roll back. Now k get pods. Once again we have to put undo because it goes to the k get pods. So I'll see a revision version history. So just kubectl rollout history deployment deploy demo. So this two, and I want to go to the revision history 2. So I'll just -2 revision equal to 2, and here we need to undo. So k get pods. So here you will find this pods. So you can easily get things done. So this is the advantage over the replica set. So whenever if I find 2 replica sets. So actually for deployment 1 replica set is there, but whenever we change the deployment pod template, change in image environment variables or labels, deployment create a new replica set. So deployment keep older replica set as a history and scale them to 0. So here you will find every things is 0. So these are two replica. These are two which is very important. If you want to clean up, you can delete these two replica set. There is no issue with that. Okay, delete replica set. So these are the two replica sets. So there is a property also in spec section that history limit. So you can limit history also. Deployment is a little big topic, so we have just touched the basic of deployment. In onwards we'll dig a little where we see a rollout where the detailed properties. Here we have only covered what are the disadvantages of the replica set and how to overcome with the deployment. Thank you so much for your love and support.